What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Judy from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my welcome tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Let's begin with drawing her top part of the head. And I'm gonna draw a semicircle line right there across from the left to the right, and then on the side I'm gonna draw a curved line to the cheek, and it's going to go outwards. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the cheek, and then I'm gonna extend it across for the lower part of the head, and we're gonna draw the same thing on the right side right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and draw her ears. So we're gonna draw a circular line at the top left corner of the head here, and inside of that I'm gonna draw another one following the outer circular line. And then on the right side I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on this side as well. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this spine right here, and then we're gonna thicken up the line. And on the outer side of the eye, I'm gonna add a lash curved line there, and then thicken that up and leave the outer part of the lash with a thinner point, so it's gonna be a sharp looking eyelash. So underneath the main curved line above, I'm gonna draw on the side a curved line down, and for the inner side as well. And then for the bottom part of the eye, I'm gonna draw across another curved line and thicken that up. Now on the left side of the eye, on the top below the first lash, I'm gonna add another 2 lash, but those 2 lashes gonna be towards to the side direction, and it's gonna be smaller. Now above the eye, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line, and then inside of the eye I'm gonna add the starry shape. So we're gonna draw from this point here a line to the center, and a semicircle turn up to this top part, and then I'm gonna mirror that on the right side, and then I'm gonna mirror those 2 shapes on the bottom side. And on the top, now we're gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw an oval shape and fill that in with black color. And from the center below the nose, I'm gonna draw to the side and up a horizontal line, diagonal line, and thicken that up. Now for her outfit, I'm gonna draw her elbow curve line from lower point on the side of her face, then down on the side. And the same goes to the left side there, and then we're gonna turn it to the center on both sides. And then for her outfit in the middle, I'm gonna draw another curve line from this corner right here down on both sides. And then on the bottom part, I'm gonna make it flare out with a diagonal line. And then on the lower portion there, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And then below the outfit, I'm gonna draw from this point at the side a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a semicircular turn at the point of the leg, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up to the center, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side as well. And in the middle of the leg, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And for her hands, I'm gonna draw a line from this point out and down, and then make a semicircular turn for the tip of the arm. And the same goes to the right side. And in the middle of the outfit, below the head, I'm gonna add a curved line across like that. And for her tie, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape in the middle, a square actually, and then at the sides we're gonna draw another rectangular shape, but we're gonna make it flare out at the outer corner like that, and another below that on both sides. And from the center point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line down and turn it sideways. I'm gonna copy that on the right side. Then I'm gonna draw across a line at that point right there, and another line right here, and another one below that. And then for her pockets, I'm gonna draw on the left side here a tilted line across, and then a semicircle line on the bottom, and then another line across on the top portion of the pocket. So I'm going to copy the pocket on the right side as well. And then for the ruffles below her outfit, I'm going to draw a wavy line across this portion right here, from the left to the right. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.